So this is the latest source of parts. It's basically a bush find rather than a barn find. All the tyres are falling off, the whole floor. It's rusted through to nothing. The steering rack is rusted off the steering rod. It's been a home for various animals by the looks of things. Gravy granules down there. Bit of a high vis. 5 speed, that's advantage over my current truck, which is 4 speed. Oh, posh Roman buttons. All the cupboard handles. The graphics are a bit of a nice feature. What's left of them? Lots of rust, scabby holes in lots of places. I think the glass is pretty solid. An aerial there. Robin engine sticker. Is this door unlocked? I haven't tried opening this door yet. It's dropping off its hinges a bit. The door card exists. In better condition than the driver's. Set of keys that don't look like they're going to do much. Ooh, what have we got here? We've got some old paperwork. I don't know if that's previous owners. I was told there wasn't a V5, but maybe I'll be lucky. It was actually placed on the tow trailer with a forklift truck because it doesn't steer. That is a tax disc, 31st of May 2008. The dashboard looks pretty decent, it doesn't look like there's any damage. Radio, long wave, medium wave Philips stereo, it just needs a knob. Oh. Mini ratchet. Pedal rubber. What's that? Something in there? Nope. Holding that drop side there behind the graphics. Grumbly. This is what I want. This canopy is what drew me to this van. I'm going to tidy this up and fit that onto the main one in there. But I want to put windows in here for visibility when I'm driving, and probably change this back door from a wood to a solid piece with a window in, and also the window through there in the cage. Here. That cage window, I'll probably change that for a perspex one or acrylic one as well. These bars here are missing from mine, so hopefully they're salvageable. They're stripped. And this glass, I've got spare glass already, but this has actually got a rubber seal which I'm missing. So hopefully I can use the perspex or acrylic sheet that I've got in my current back window as a window for this, and then this glass in the back of my truck. That's the plan. Who knows? 84,000 miles this had done before it was abandoned. Steering lock was broken off so they could steer it. Nice lovely wire in there. I haven't even tried to start this and I wouldn't even bother. What that is. Maybe a horn switch. There's the floor again, as you can see. This is not going to recover. Tow bar cover. This does have a tow bar, which helped us retrieve it from the truck. What I want to do now is have a little look at what possible treasures lie in the back of the van. if I change that for a solid door, I could probably fit. Do I trust that folded up over? I'll probably fit some kind of hydraulic struts onto that to hold it up. These are some bits I've already found. Spot lamp, 12 volt. A receipt for a Falcon tyre for this fitment, for this truck. And a David Lloyd and Elton John cassette. Apparently David Lloyd was a Welsh singer, died in real 1969. Betting slip which has got a number plate on. That's a number plate, I've already looked into that. Over 216, which last had its MOT in 2010. I've got a feeling this tow bar, I think it was owned by some kind of breakdown guy originally and actually actively used. I've got someone inquired about this panel, but it is a bit rusty at the bottom. But it might be repairable, I don't know. So let's see whether this folds down. So I don't have to climb up as high. That has folded down. Let's see what treasures we've got in here. I'm just going to stop this while I lift up the lid without damaging it.